Maraming nagtatanong, healthy ba ang frozen veggies? Lalo na if you're aiming to lose weight, improve your fitness level, or simply you want to eat healthier. Let's dive into it para malaman natin ang benefits at kung may downsides ang frozen veggies. Hello mga friends, this is Coach Janeth Arrow and I am an Olympic nutrition coach who handled the programs of our Tokyo and Paris Olympics medalists. Ang frozen veggies ay may high nutritional value. These are typically harvested at their peak ripeness so mataas at nare-retain ang mga vitamins and minerals at maging ang phytochemical content kahit matapos ang 2 months after blanching and freezing the vegetables. Right after harvest, these veggies are flash frozen, locking in the majority of nutrients. Ibig sabihin nito, ang frozen veggies can actually have as much or sometimes more nutrients than fresh ones that may sit in transit or sa refrigerator ng medyo matagal. Dahil ito ay mababa sa calories at mataas sa fiber, pak na pak ito for weight management, digestive health, and blood sugar management na importante para sa mga active individuals at lalo na sa mga athletes. Siguraduhin na i-check ang label at piliin ang plain, no sauce varieties para walang added salt or sugar. Pero ang tanong, are there any nutrients lost? Some water-soluble vitamins like vitamin C and B vitamins are lost during blanching, which is the quick boiling process used before freezing to prevent spoilage. For example, the vitamin C content of certain vegetables could decrease by 10 to 80% during the blanching and freezing process with an average nutrient loss of around 50%. Pero good news dahil intact pa rin ang mineral content nito. Ang calcium, potassium, iron at fiber are heat stable so they're mostly retained in frozen veggies. To get the most out of these vegetables, iwasan ma-overcook ang mga ito. Lightly steam or microwave para hindi masira ang natitirang nutrients. So, pwede ba ang frozen veggies as an alternative to fresh ones? Pwedeng-pwede. Frozen veggies are a healthy, convenient, and is a budget-friendly choice. They can give you vitamins, minerals, and fiber without worrying about spoilage. Perfect for busy and health-conscious foodies. Great backup ito para sa mga araw na wala kang fresh vegetables available. For balance, mix fresh and frozen vegetables para sure na makukuha mo ang full range of nutrients. So yes, frozen vegetables can be healthy. Just avoid overcooking, pick plain options, and balance them with fresh produce hanggat maaari. Kaya go ahead lang mga friends, add frozen veggies to your meals and level up your nutrition. Thanks for watching!